Fatty liver disease is a growing concern, but the good news is that your diet can play a significant role in managing and even reversing its effects. So if you or someone you know is dealing with fatty liver, stick around as we explore these liver-loving foods that can make a real difference. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Let's get started. Number 1 on our list is leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They aid in reducing inflammation, promoting liver detoxification, and improving overall liver health. Moving on to number 2, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to decrease liver fat, inflammation, and improve insulin resistance. Number 3 is oatmeal. This whole grain is high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes a feeling of fullness. It's a great choice for managing fatty liver and maintaining a healthy weight. At number 4, we have walnuts. These nuts are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. Number 5 is garlic. Garlic contains compounds that support liver enzymes in breaking down toxins. It's also known to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it a powerful ally in the fight against fatty liver. Coming in at number 6 is turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can help protect and heal the liver. Number 7 on our list is green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver and promotes healthy liver function. Moving forward, at number 8, we have berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, aiding in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Number 9 is the beloved avocado. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats, which can help improve liver health by reducing inflammation and enhancing insulin sensitivity. On number 10, we have citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. These fruits are high in vitamin C, which supports the production of liver detoxifying enzymes and helps reduce fat buildup. Coming in at number 11, we have beets. Rich in betaine and antioxidants, beets assist in reducing liver fat and promoting healthy bile production. Number 12 is broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is loaded with fiber and antioxidants, supporting detoxification processes in the liver. At number 13, we have sweet potatoes. These nutrient-dense tubers are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all of which contribute to a healthier liver. Number 14 is olive oil. Its monounsaturated fats and antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. At number 15, we have lentils. These legumes are rich in fiber and protein, supporting stable blood sugar levels and aiding in liver health. Coming in at number 16, we have onions. These contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds that assist in liver detoxification and reduce inflammation. Number 17 is a variety of nuts, including almonds and pistachios. They offer healthy fats, antioxidants, and nutrients that promote liver health. At number 18, we have Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports a healthy gut, which in turn benefits the liver. Number 19 is flax seeds. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, flax seeds aid in reducing liver inflammation and fat accumulation. Last but not least, at number 20, we have quinoa. This protein-rich grain contains essential amino acids that support liver function and overall health. There you have it, our comprehensive list of the top 20 best foods to eat for fatty liver. Remember, a well-rounded diet filled with these liver-loving foods can have a positive impact on your liver health. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.